Right here is a big gap, maybe a 1/4 inch gap right here. That lines up with, on here, there is a spot that has a tack weld, which is right there.
Perfect. Look at it.
Mucho caliente.
Ya déjalo ahí, déjalo ahí.
Hold on. Just push on, and then you pull the lever back, and then it clicks. Take this off. We have to hook the chains. The old guard. Okay. We run this. Arriba, 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 arriba.
That's better, right?
That's gonna stay up here. So you might want to take some spray paint, and spray paint these red and spray paint these yellow. That way, if something happens, you break this, you hook it up wrong, and it won't operate correctly. You got to be able to pull this off. Okay. Pull the cap off. It'll only go one way. It won't go this way. It'll only go one way. Just a little bit back. If you need to drain it.
Te enseño ya mismo.
300, whatever. 250 to 300. Don't stick with this. Don't close it all the way. Keep it open a little bit. That switch is tied to this valve. So what guys are going to do, what I see them happen, is they come over here and they try to adjust the pressure. Don't touch it. You know, all the universal joints, all the grease fittings on the machine, once a month. You got grease fittings in here too, and you want to make sure the belt stays, you know, like normal belt. You can go buy that belt in Napa.
Okay.
If you break a belt, go buy it in Napa, or I can send you one. But if you want to get it the same day, you just, after 50 hours of using the machine, you just drain this oil out and put brand new oil. 30 weight, non-detergent. Just change it probably once a year, and you turn the PTO on, and your fan won't come on. Number one reason why that is when your operator engages the PTO and disengages the PTO, it needs to be at a low RPM. So you turn the PTO off at the end of every row. Do not do that with this machine.
Okay.
You will wear out these gearboxes so fast.
No la apague.
All you have to do is turn the switches off for the spray. The angle for this, so that'll spray down here.
Okay.
So you'll have the left on and center on. Some people don't care about that, and they leave them like this, and they have all three open. They get more spray. But if you're having trouble on the first row, then you're gonna want to do this.
Okay.
And you just push these in, rotate, and then you tighten. Push it in, pull it, and then tighten. But then if you're spraying to the left, you would have the bottom one on and the center one on. This one would be off. So you can see it when you're spraying. Grease. Grease.
Mueve el viento. Mira a ver cuál es el que está usando allá.
How you want? However you put this strainer basket back into the here.
Okay.
Make sure this hole is next to the hole going forward. The return pipe is here. Okay. You want to spray?
Dale.